This is a pretty big bag of bamboo charcoal, and this has been working well for us. We had some smaller bags, so I decided to get the set of bigger bags. And these say they can last up to 2 years. They're in a bag that won't let the dust out, but they will let the air in. And this is a bag full of charcoal that's made out of bamboo. And the idea is that it's going to absorb odors and in the air. So this is great for around pets because there's nothing that comes off of this. There's no chemicals or anything like that. So it's great for around pets or around your maybe like your shoes or in a closet, something like that underneath the bed. And this will help absorb odors. And the neat thing about it is then you can take it outside and leave it in the sun for an hour or two, and that will essentially recharge the carbon and let it work again. So this has a long lifespan, and we're looking forward to how these larger bags work. Hope this helps.